Okay, so our multimeter is saying 950 roughly milliamps that it's pulling. We did find one fuse in here, and it's fuse, what is it?
31.
Fuse 31, which is a 20 amp fuse. It's a yellow one, radio power satellite radio module. But when you go to your conversion chart to go from milliamps for this mini fuse, we're going from milliamps, and it's pulling 2.9 milliamps, and it's a yellow one, so that means 2.9 and then
39.
And it's yellow. So what's the third one over? What is that? 903?
903, sorry.
903. So 903 milliamps, and we're getting 950. So that makes about sense if we have about 50 milliamps. So you want to pull the fuse and see what happens?
Are
you ready? Yep. Is it out? Yeah. Yeah, it changed. Yeah, it all dropped off, Brad. It's saying 5 milliamps. Okay. Okay, so, we just hooked up our voltmeter to the amp setting and disconnected the negative side. We actually used a couple jumper wires. These are 2 jumper wires that we jumped from the post to the terminal, and then we connected our meter as well, just to make sure to protect our meter. So we disconnect these, let the truck go to sleep. We actually let it go to sleep for 35 minutes or so. Still reading 950 something milliamps. And then we went through every fuse inside, every mini fuse, and tested it with a multimeter, checked the voltage across. That one fuse read a little bit of millivoltage. So that converts over to 903 milliamps, which is pretty much taking away all our drop when we pulled the fuse. Okay, cool. And he's just electing to leave the fuse out for now, maybe address the radio later, but hopefully this will solve our parasitic draw, but it looks like from the meter, it's done the job. Pretty sweet.